So I've been laying a water line, and one of the things I've always, or for a long time I've wondered, is if I could take a trencher and cut out a better hole to work on my hydrants with. I like to cut the bottom out of a bucket. I got this from YouTube, so you guys can look it up. Cut the bottom out of a bucket, make it fit good, fill it up with gravel. It keeps it clean. I think it improves the drainage quite a bit, lets it go down without anything getting stopped up. And then put a lid on it, cut a hole, make a slit, put a lid on it. And that's the finished product. But what I was real pleased about is I was able to drag this big old, it's ugly, but I was able to drag this big hole out for me to work on. Make room for that bucket. Anyway, so I'm pleased with the whole endeavor. I'll be filling it in here in just a few minutes. So that's, if you like to do anything along these lines and need more room to work, you can actually walk down into the ditch. It's got a pretty nice slope on it. Of course, it is a ditch, but anyway, there you have it, and I hope that helps. I'll show you the product. I'll show you the next one before I put the bucket in. Here's what the cutout looks like with a trencher before. This is a fairly small one compared to the other I cut out. But this is what it looks like before we put the bucket on and put the rocks in. And by the way, that's a 1/8 NPT elbow down there. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. That's a worthwhile endeavor to keep junk out of your system. Keep junk out of your upper pipe. May not make a huge difference, but I think it's a good idea. Anyway, you can do this with a trencher and give yourself more room to work. So I was really glad to find that out.